Like, share, and subscribe.
A friendly first meeting. First meeting at the park. Hello,
Hello.
my name is Tom. My name is Tom.
My name is Anna. My name is Anna.
Nice to meet you, Anna. Nice to meet you, Anna.
Nice to meet you too, Tom. Nice to meet you too, Tom.
How are you today? How are you today?
I'm good, thank you. And you? I'm good, thank you. And you?
I'm good too. It's a nice day. I'm good too. It's a nice day.
Yes, the weather is very nice. Yes, the weather is very nice.
Do you come to this park often? Do you come to this park often?
Yes, I come here many times. Yes, I come here many times.
What do you do here? What do you do here?
I walk, I relax, I enjoy nature. I walk, I relax, I enjoy nature.
That's great. I walk here every morning. That's great. I walk here every morning.
Oh, really? That's good. Walking is healthy. Oh, really? That's good. Walking is healthy.
Yes, it is. Where do you live? Yes, it is. Where do you live?
I live near this park. And you? I live near this park. And you?
I live about 10 minutes away. I live about 10 minutes away.
That's close. That's close.
Yes, very close. Yes, very close. Do you work or study? Do you work or study?
I study. I'm a student. I study. I'm a student.
What do you study? What do you study?
I study English. I study English.
Wow, that's great. Wow, that's great.
Thank you. I want to speak English well. Thank you. I want to speak English well.
Why do you learn English? Why do you learn English?
I want a good job. I want a good job.
That's a good reason. That's a good reason.
And I want to travel. And I want to travel.
Nice. Where do you want to go? Nice. Where do you want to go?
I want to go to Canada and the UK. I want to go to Canada and the UK.
Good choices. Your English is good. Good choices. Your English is good.
Thank you, but I need more practice. Thank you, but I need more practice.
We all need practice. We all need practice. What do you do in your free time? What do you do in your free time?
I read books, I listen to music, I watch videos. I read books, I listen to music, I watch videos.
What kind of books? What kind of books?
Easy English stories. Easy English stories.
That's perfect for learning. That's perfect for learning.
Yes, they help me a lot. Yes, they help me a lot.
What kind of music do you like? What kind of music do you like?
I like soft music. It relaxes me. I like soft music. It relaxes me.
I like pop music. I like pop music.
Do you play sports? Do you play sports?
Yes, I play football on weekends. Yes, I play football on weekends.
Nice. Football is fun. Nice. Football is fun.
Yes, very fun. Yes, very fun.
What time do you wake up? What time do you wake up?
I wake up at 6:30. I wake up at 6:30.
Oh, that's early. Oh, that's early.
Yes, but I like mornings. Yes, but I like mornings. What about you? What about you?
I wake up at 7:30. I wake up at 7:30.
That's nice. What do you do after waking up? That's nice. What do you do after waking up?
I eat breakfast, then I study English for 1 hour. I eat breakfast, then I study English for 1 hour.
Very good. Very good.
What about you? What about you?
I drink coffee, then I walk in the park. I drink coffee, then I walk in the park.
That sounds relaxing. That sounds relaxing.
I like talking with you. I like talking with you.
I like talking with you too. I like talking with you too.
Maybe we can practice English together. Maybe we can practice English together.
Yes, I would like that. Yes, I would like that.
Great. Great.
We can meet in the park. We can meet in the park.
Yes, every week. Yes, every week.
Good idea. Good idea.
I have to go now. I have a class soon. I have to go now. I have a class soon.
Okay, no problem. Okay, no problem.
It was nice talking to you. It was nice talking to you.
It was nice talking to you too. It was nice talking to you too.
See you next time. See you next time.
See you. See you.
Bye.
Bye.
Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel to receive our latest lessons. Your support means the world to us. See you soon.